Hi everyone, I'm Karan Kumar, Senior Project Lead in Mecwin Green Propulsions. Recently, we have launched new motor in the AV platform, which is used in the applications of robotics, drones and electric skateboards, which is called as Outrunner Motor. This motor having a power of 1.5 kilowatt peak, which will be operate around 24 volt to 36 volts. This is the motor which is called as 6368 Outrunner. 63 is the OD of the motor, 68 is the length of the motor. We developed this motor for an export to the countries like USA and Germany. The power density motor which can operate from 700 watts to 1.2 kilowatt at an voltage of around 12 volt to 54 voltage ranges. Mentioned it's a power density motor. For a power density, we need a high grade magnetic materials and low losses lamination materials. We are here using high grade magnetic materials of ND FEP magnet, which is N42SH, and low lamination losses material of 0.2 mm thickness of electrical grade. This makes the motor high power density. We keep on developing such new motors based on the customer requirements. If you have any new requirements such like this, please contact below number.